Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna take you along on a power hour early in the morning. But of course, before I even attempted to start cleaning up, I had to have my coffee. So that's how I started this very early morning power hour. This was done on Friday morning, very early, as you can see, and the house did not look too messy, and that is because a lot of stuff was just simply hidden. A lot of the clutter was in bins, in the backpack, in my purse, and we did not have much time to clean up the night before during our evening routine because we unfortunately had a death in the family and were attending a funeral. And the next morning, it was just something that I needed to do to declutter mentally. So when I got up on Friday morning, I just had this need to clean up around me. It's one of those things when there is a death in a family or when there is just a situation happening when you don't have control over. I noticed that that's when I try to make control of the things that I actually can. And cleaning is one of those areas, so I just felt the need to actually declutter and clean up the space. This was not my typical morning routine. I almost never do that. I have a specific morning routine that I follow, so if you missed it, I just did one last week. I'm gonna link it up here and in the description box. But like I said, it was something that I needed to do for my mental health. And this is what I meant when I said that a lot of stuff was hidden away in backpacks and purses. As you can see, I keep on pulling stuff out and putting stuff in that belongs there. If you are new here, hi, my name is Marta and welcome to Imperfect Life Balance. If you are not yet subscribed, I would love for you to join our community. On this channel, we talk about finding your own version of life balance so you feel fulfilled and you don't experience the mom guilt. And if you are already subscribed, thank you for coming back. I am so happy that the content I create resonates with you. Now, I don't know how this looks like for you, but I am pretty good at doing laundry and I am usually pretty good at folding it. Now, putting it away is a different story. But like I said, this particular night, the night before, we did not get home until it was way past kids' bedtime. So I did not get a chance to fold, but I know if I don't fold it as soon as I can, everything gets really wrinkly. I usually like to have my kitchen island clutter-free, but I made two piles, one for my husband and one for my son, because this was their stuff that they needed to put in wherever it belonged. So I did not want to put it somewhere and for them not knowing where it's at. One of the things I really love is starting the day with a clean kitchen. Obviously, I did not start that day that way. However, I at least wanted to make sure that I clean up and wash all the dishes so we can, keep going with the clean kitchen from the beginning of the day. And the last thing I wanted to do during that power hour was to make lunch for my son to school. He pretty much eats the same thing every single day, which is a blessing and a curse, I guess, because I would love for him to have more of a variety. But he's very picky, and if I try to give him some other options, he just ends up not eating it. But at the same time, it's a blessing because now I am a pro at preparing his lunch, because it is literally the same thing every day. So if you have any ideas for simple lunch for a very picky eater, I would love to hear it. And that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this quick power hour very early in the morning. Make sure that you are subscribed so you don't miss any of my future videos, and I will see you next time.